Won't you be my hero? Please come capture me under the weeping willow. Wait and have a be. Won't you be my hero? Please come capture me under the weeping willow. Wait and have.
Hey guys, so we decided to vlog today because we're going to the movies.
We are.
Which is a sister date, and then we're gonna eat some dessert. Yeah, we're stuck in traffic now, so we might miss the movie and the dessert, but we'll see.
So here, tell me this. Are you the lips to my sweet phantom kiss? Or are you the villain in all of my dreams? The cause of all the thunder, the cause of all the screams.
Yes, the Insta photo shoot's happening right now. I'm just waiting for mine now, so patiently. We still have so much left. She's like done. Well, let's talk about the soup though.
I believe in you.
I'm gonna throw up.
Ew.
That's what's gonna happen.
So we just jaywalked.
Yes, it was fun.
It was horrible. It was so stressful. I hate jaywalking.
And we just ate so much stuff.
I know. I'm like so full. Like I can't breathe. I helped her finish
lighting
hers.
keeps changing.
Oh my bad.
We're
I feel
walking
like
to the movies.
I hate filming in public. It's like come stare at me, people, and also subscribe and click the notification button. So we're just walking to the theater now.
Yeah, wait, there's Cineplex.
We're gonna watch Ocean's 8.
Yeah, that's good.
I've heard mixed reviews, but I'm excited.
Me too. Super excited.
Bye.
I can do is hand myself to you.
Come on in.
Almost.
It was a mistake. Look how cringe.
Don't be problems.
The struggle is real.
It's mostly fun.
Oh, I was waiting for the reaction. Okay, take another bite. Yay. Okay, I'm gonna try mine now.
Story time. So we almost lost the car keys. By we, I mean me, because I drove here and then she was driving back and then she's like, give me the car keys, and I'm like, do you have it? And then I thought I left it at the restaurant for a second because like I was putting it in my bag and maybe I left it on the table. It was stuck in like a zipper part of my bag. It went through a hole. It was crazy. And now she's driving back, and please don't try to kill us today because you know,
Life's important.
yes. I like to breathe sometimes. But those burgers were so bomb. I'm like really stuffed. It was like surprisingly fulfilling. And we got the small size, so
Yeah, which is insane. Still like a normal size burger. So I hope you can see us. But yeah, we're going to Aga Khan to take a few pictures for the Instagram now. Okay, bye.
sunny, but we just finished at the Aga Khan Museum, and there was like this art piece going on. What's it called? An art show type of thing. So there's really cool pieces, and we took some shots for it for you guys. And we took a bunch of Insta shots. So follow us on Insta. We're using the Snapchat filter because we look tired AF once we got home.
Makeup's done, it's gone.
Yeah, so we're editing the vlog right now. We're finishing it up. Not finishing, we're starting editing the vlog. Sorry, my knee keeps coming in the shop. And that's all for the sister date.
Hope you guys enjoyed it.
And as usual, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.
Please come capture me under the weeping willow. Wait and have a be.